Channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back to part 2 of us going out on the boat on the weekend. And I would like to say a lucky weekend because we got to a Haulover boat ramp pretty late and we were able to launch the boat. And talking about launching, well, we finally did it. We launched Patreon, and on there you're going to be able to access and view video clips that normally get restricted here, or I have to cut them short, but there you get the whole length. And I would like to say thank you for the members that already joined. We'll be uploading videos and clips weekly. Some of them are going to be new and others are going to be old but never seen before. And talking about seeing, look at this, Haulover old original sandbars coming back. And something else we saw from the distance was Haulover and inlet. It was pretty rough outside. And if you guys want to see complete detailed video of part 1, click on the link below named part 1. And after stopping at the original sandbar, we headed over to the south side near the houses, and that's becoming a problem because all the boats with the loud music bothering the nearby residents, and they're calling the authorities. Going back to the should have never dredged out the original one. Where we at, guys? Where we at? Where we at? The home, sweet home of Haulover Sandbar. And look, that's why the boat ramp was still open, because look at that. The Miami people got scared a little bit of rain, and not us. We here with aquatic. Mira quién está aquí. The Haulover family. How's everything?
Good, bro.
How's everything? Well, guys, we're not here every weekend, but aquatic is. You can come check them out. Haulover is becoming a popular spot to do bachelorette parties. Hey, where you guys from? New York. New York and oh, welcome to Miami. I guess there's no better place than to enjoy your last single days enjoying the sandbar life. And we're also here today enjoying the sandbar life, but it's getting a little difficult because it's so windy and we're getting kind of hungry. So we decided to pick up and head over to Beercan Island, aka Raccoon Island. By the way, guys, we're almost there. We're at 374,000 subscribers. Come on, let's push it. Let's see if we can reach 400 before the summer's over, because I like to say the more the merrier. And it's really easy. All you got to do is share the videos with your friends and tell them to subscribe to Fresco Channel and help spread the fun in the sun. Alright, guys, so it's a little windy to do barbecue here at the sandbar.
We're gonna move anchor.
Yeah, we're gonna go move to oh, you know what? We should narrate today's day, right? Come on, where are we going today? I mean, where are we gonna go now?
The day is really crazy. So there's a storm coming and we need to move.
Okay,
to Beercan Island. Let's go.
That's a Cuban American. That's a Cuban American narration of the Fresco Channel show for today. Dale, dime, ¿dónde vamos? Where we going?
Dale, chicos, come on, let's go.
Oh boy. So let's go with the show somewhere else, guys. So los vamos a mover. We're gonna move. Look at this, we have a new floaty liquid hammock anchor. So it doesn't fly away, so windy. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Huh?
Flies away.
It's gonna take you. Nah, it's really windy. It's like a hurricane up in here. Look at the flag, guys, look. Look at the flag. It is super windy. And as we come around Beercan Island, we see there's a lot of people here with the same idea, avoiding the wind by staying behind the island. And what do we have here? Some ghosts riding jet skis? What's going on? Now what do we have here? A floating car too? You gotta say, you don't know what you could find in the water in Miami. And I think here we're having a party by the trees, but I don't want to be in that type of party. I really don't know if someone's in trouble or getting into trouble. And well enough sightseeing, it's time to pull up into the island and see if we can find a spot. And we got lucky next to our friends.
Estamos acá desde las 7 de la mañana. Pero yo no estaba en el equipo.
Aquí con la familia de beercan. How's everybody? La familia de beercan.
Hey, Marta, ¿cómo se llama your husband's name in Spanish?
My husband's name, Archie
No, Arsenio.
Arsenio.
Oh, so it's Archie. Yo no sabía que Archie in Spanish is Arsenio. Okay. This for you guys.
Yo no sabía que era Arsenio.
Me neither, bro.
Thank you.
I just learned something new.
Esto es una
Yeah. Don't ask me because I don't know. And well, I thought I was gonna be the only crazy one to come out on cloudy, windy days, but I guess, like I always say, there's a lot of crazies in Miami. We're here joining them. And talking about local boaters here in Florida, I want to take a little survey. I want to know where you're from. Let me know what city you guys do your boating at, or sandbar or island, and that's gonna help me when I plan to do future hangouts or visits. Because you guys already know, I go to Halover, Elliott Key, Beercan, Peanut Island, Isla Morada Sandbar, and Boca Grande Sandbar, and Boca Lake. Now let me know if I missed something or there's something nearby. Let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll pay you a visit this summer. Well, it's time to get down and get serious to serious business, because you know what time it is? Yep, you got it. The best time of the day. Food time, baby. And what are we having? Well, you're gonna have to wait and see. And talking about waiting, my upload video schedule might change this summer. It might be a little crazy. So make sure to check your notifications. And it's so windy that I have to get really close to pour the seasonings on the wait and see. Okay, right now is the best part of the day, right?
Yes, because we're hungry.
Okay, actually, you were supposed to host the show today. You haven't said nothing. What
Because
you
I'm
doing?
here, start cooking.
You start cooking. What time is it? I'm gonna tell you what time it is. Look at that. Look at that. That's what time it is right there. I'm gonna let you say it on yourself. What time is it? There you go. And we doing something special today. What we doing?
Some tacos, some quesadillas, whatever.
The what?
Quesadilla, taco.
We got a moving taco truck right there with the meats. Check out the meats. Where's the beef? You guys remember that? Where's the beef? Where's the beef?
You're cooking meat.
All right, we're ready. And a lot of people tell me when I'm on the water is either having fun or eating, and I say, why not? Is there something else better to do? To me, the food tastes better out on the water, because even if I do the barbecue in the backyard, still it doesn't taste the same. I guess the salt in the air adds a little flavor. Plus, the scenery is much better, don't you think? You ready to cut? You gonna cut?
I'm ready to
She gonna cut it up and cut it up. So you're not narrating.
Cut it and let's put it.
She's not talking, and she was supposed to be talking. She's supposed to be. What?
I'm hungry. I can't think right now.
You're hungry?
I promised steak like 3 hours ago. So let's go. Yo creo que el segundo está más cocinado.
All right.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, it's good. Ooh, can you cut this piece off?
This is mine.
Can you cut this piece? How is it? Look at that. We're so hungry, almost came out of my mouth. Let me see that. Hold on. Where are you? What are you gonna? No, but make a little pocket. Make a little pocket so it doesn't fall apart.
No, no sé cómo quesadilla tiene queso, se va a pegar.
Oh,
Let's put it in.
Well, that's yours?
Let's put it over there.
That's yours? That's yours?
No, mío chiquitico.
Oh.
Mine is a low carb.
Oh.
Open.
What are you gonna do? Yeah, but it's. Oh, you're gonna warm up the fajita? Oh, that's pretty cool. Nah, that's fine. I'll eat it like that. That's fine. That's fine.
No, leave it there.
And guys, just in case you didn't know, Liquid Hammock has a dual purpose. It's a floating float and a shade provider. At least for today it is. And I caught you guys because I know a lot of people thought it was sausage time, but nope. We pulled out today with some ribeyes. Yep, it has been one of those lazy, do-nothing days, just like I like it. Well, sometimes. Today is a lazy day. Look, look. Look at her. She's being the laziest one of all. It's all good though. We got no worries. No worries. Be happy. We've been out here almost the whole day, and I haven't been on the camera that much because I'm just enjoying doing nothing. Right? That's the best part. She likes doing nothing. Sometimes she complains that I don't get to enjoy the water anymore. I'm always on the camera, like now. But not today. Today I've been chilling. Recording less, enjoying more. And that should be a slogan for YouTubers. Record less, enjoy more. Got it. Okay, enough laying around doing nothing. It's time to do some island exploring. Oh look, berries. The tide is super high. Con Rachel, you guys are sitting on the thing. Oh no, bro, just yeah, they have a whole thing here. Pretty cool. They have a whole fort. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Here we are in the jungle.
You're in the jungle?
Like the monkeys.
I think the steak, the fajita got her drunk. You're supposed to be hosting, not me.
I'm too full. I need to work it out.
Chris, we're wandering around the Ragón Island. Alright guys, that has been an awesome day here on Beercan Island. And before that, we were at Halover. So make sure to check out part 1. But now it's time to pick up and get going. The bad part of the day, right? Because no one wants to go home.
So another video, another day, and Ojita didn't host. Don't you guys want her to host a video? You want to hear her words, her speech, her Spanish, what is it called? Spanish creo?
My Spanish.
Your Spanglish? You know what? Let her know in the comments that you want to hear her speak. You guys want to, okay, you grab the camera.
I'm pretty sure they're not.
Dale.
No, it's okay.
Dale.
No.
She want to grab the camera.
I don't want to add another responsibility to the many responsibilities I already have.
No. Oh, it was a great day at Raccoon Island, beercan, sandbar, 3 names. And then
Windy.
yeah, the wind's still kicking. That's why we had to leave all over sandbar. There's too much wind, and now we got away from the island. There's more wind. But what? That was a good day to be in the water with no kids. They didn't want to come. I guess now they're getting to that stage doing their own thing with friends. So good though, because you know why? I'm gonna buy a boat just for us. They can't come. So be careful now.
Well, you already know the summer's here and all the kids are out of school. So I hope everybody has a great summer and a safe one. And I'll catch you guys out in the water, out in the sandbar, on the road, on the land. It doesn't matter, but as long as you do whatever you do, enjoy every minute of it with your family and friends.